Alexa, make it windy. The smartest, sexiest ceiling fan that's cooler than you are. Ready to make your ceiling jealous? Meet the WAC Smart Fans Mocha XL, the 66-inch marvel that's part James Bond gadget, part home decor flex, and all smart swagger. Whether you're sipping a cold one in the backyard or zoning out in your home office, this fan is your new breeze boss. With 8 aerodynamic blades slicing the air smoother than a ninja with a PhD in HVAC, you'll feel the chill while looking hot. Add the integrated 3000 Kelvin warm white LED and you've got cool vibes and golden glow. It's mood lighting with muscle. Alexa, Google, Samsung, Siri, bring your whole squad. This fan doesn't just spin, it syncs with your entire smart home ecosystem. The WAC app turns your phone into a wind remote, letting you switch speeds, set breeze modes, group with other fans, and even auto-learn your comfort quirks. Set it and forget it while the Mocha XL adapts to your style like a tech-savvy butler. Got a house full of lazy remotes and moody thermostats? Say goodbye. This fan knows what you want and serves it up smoother than Wi-Fi on a good day. Silence is golden, but air whispering at 15 decibels? That's platinum. This Energy Star certified DC motor runs like a Tesla on cruise mode, up to 70% more efficient than those clunky old AC fans. That means lower energy bills, no irritating humming, and zero blade wobble. It's factory balanced like a ballerina in therapy. The 6-speed control gives you command over every breeze nuance, from spot A gentle to hurricane party mode. And unlike those other diva fans, this one won't squeak for attention. Moisture? Vibration? Sloped ceilings? Pfft, bring it on. With a UL wet location rating, this beast can live indoors, outdoors, or halfway to the moon. Engineered from high-quality aluminum and durable ABS blades, the Mocha XL isn't just weather-resistant, it's apocalypse-ready. Whether you're mounting it above a dining room drama or your man cave karaoke stage, this fan stays strong, stable, and stylish. Bonus. It fits into covered patios like it was born there, and the light is strong enough to outshine your guests. Here's the kicker. It's built like a tank, smart like your phone, and chill like a Netflix night. At this price point, it's not just a ceiling fan, it's an IQ upgrade for your air. Forget cheap wobbly blades and basic remotes, the Mocha XL is your shortcut to smarter comfort, year-round versatility, and energy bill zen. With a 5-year warranty and voice control that actually listens, unlike your roommates, this ceiling fan is the future, blowing in fast. Ready to make your home the smartest, coolest spot on the block? Say less.